Hey guys, it's Kishani and welcome to our new experience vlog. आज हम एक्सपीरियंस करने वाले हैं द बेस्ट नेचुरोपैथी सेंटर और यू कैन से हेल्थ केयर सेंटर इन राजकोट सिटी एंड इट इज़ द मीडो वेलनेस. It's a luxurious international wellness destination located near Hirasar Rajkot International Airport. The Meadow offers a good wellness practices thoughtfully designed under the guidance of well-known naturopathic doctors. The Meadow offers holistic and customized wellness experience to address the health concern of different clients with necessary treatments. The Meadow Wellness Practices आपको हेल्प करेगा to become de-stress, detox and discover natural healing wellness experience to align your body, mind and soul. At the Meadow Wellness Center, wellness practices like Ayurvedic treatments, traditional therapies, yoga practices guided by the team of expert doctors. The Meadow provides various treatment and wellness diet plan under the consultation of Chief Medical Officer or expert doctors. Here it's a treatment center and I'm going to experience today. There are 3 therapies. Number 1, body massage therapy. Number 2, foot massage therapy. And number 3, my favorite, mud therapy. The Meadow provides very good hospitality with beautiful room interior with traditional design. It's called Modern Therapy Center. Also having good amenities like yoga center, treatment center, restaurant area, garden area. And this is a dining area where they provides breakfast, wellness lunch, evening snacks and dinner. Food is very healthy and tasty according to the diet plan given by the medical officer. You will get a wonderful experience with nature once you visit this place. Membership plan is also available if you are planning for long-term stay. And there are mainly 3 categories of rooms: deluxe, super deluxe and villa.